Hello, if you are looking for a moon lamp for your bedside, office, desk, or any other space in your house, then you definitely would like to hear about this one. The full disclosure, the seller provided me with this moon lamp so I can test it out and share my overall thoughts with you. This lamp came beautifully packaged and super well protected. And assembly was super easy. Just screw the moon into the rod, then rod into the base, and you all set. So what I really love about this lamp that here on the bottom has this like non-scratchy pad, so you don't need to worry about scratching your furniture. You can see it's like this is a metal and this is like non-scratching pad. And another point I love about this moon lamp, it has very long cord. As you can see, this is very long. Just a heads up, it's USB powered only, so I do wish there was also a standard plug option, but we used the surge protector with USB ports and had no issue plugging it into the wall. And I also love all of these modes, and I love that it could be more brighter, more dimmable, and if you go back, you can see it actually looks like a moon. And as you can see, that actually looks like a real moon. It's absolutely beautiful. And I can turn it around for you so you can see. This is such a beautiful lamp. Also, look at this top. It's so detailed and texture in a natural light. It really does look like a miniature moon. And now let's change the mode. So here's our remote. You can see how dark it is. Probably can't even see the buttons. Oh, here it goes. This is more like a yellow light. I would say that one was more creamy. This is more like yellow light. This is more like even red light. And here back to the white. And here you can see our remote. I can get closer. So we have on and off button. We have more brighter, more dimmable. And here we can change our modes. Overall, this moon lamp could be such a cozy, dreamy addition to any space. I love it and I highly recommend to check it out. Thanks for watching.